Hey, mind if I get a quick tour of your rig?
Oh, hey, yeah, for sure. My name is Tommy Snyder. I have a 1999 F250 Power Stroke with a 1988 SNS cab over camper. It's gone through multiple paint iterations. I think this is the 4th paint scheme, but it's lasted the longest. I got the wood stove stack coming out the back, and yeah, she's been good to me. All right, starting over in the special corner with the little cubic mini wood stove. This thing might be called cute more than your dog, but that could be a bold statement.
That thing is adorable.
Yeah, she's been called cute a lot. Yeah, this is kind of the drying area. Got snowboard, boots, the gear, a little wood storage down here. Store some extra gear down here. And then, yeah, moving along, we've got the propane stove. So nice little spacious area for cooking. She's a dry rig, so no running water. This is basically my only source of water. A little 5-gallon jug. We've got pots and pans and cooking stuff up there. Got food over here. Silverware down here. Some cleaning supplies, garbage bags, cutting boards, stuff like that. Some miscellaneous storage stuff here. I built this little wooden platform to elevate the water jug and then just create some more storage space right there. Moving over to the bed. Yeah, pretty decent sized sleeping area. It's cozy, works for me. She did leak at one point, and so all the wallpaper up here got pretty nasty, so I tore it all out and then cut up a pallet and did a pallet wall up there, which I thought turned out pretty good. Let's see, moving over, we've got the fridge. Runs off propane, which is sweet because I only have one little 12-volt battery in here. Not much power, but I don't really need much power in this little rig. So yeah, we got the food, freezer up here. We've got some doll sheet, some salmon up there. Moving down, we've got the little diesel heater. So I did just have the wood stove for like 5 years in here, and it was doable, but definitely a lot of cold mornings. So a couple years ago, I put the diesel heater in, and that's been pretty game changer. So it's nice to just wake up, boom, turn that on. Drawer right here, just kind of miscellaneous storage, books and fix-it stuff. Some storage under this bench right here. We've got the diesel heater, diesel fuel. It's my battery, some miscellaneous storage, chair, stuff like that. And then moving over to the couch dining area / closet. Got clothes. Yeah, a little table, bench. Fits 3-4 people pretty comfortably. Some more gear storage up here. Fire extinguisher. Yeah, that's really about it. Favorite part of the rig is probably just how cozy it feels in here. Maybe also all the compliments I get on it.
Oh, yeah.
Can't drive anywhere without people commenting on it, so.
Nice.
Yeah, it's fun.
Least favorite part of your rig?
Ooh. Probably just that it's getting old and it's kind of starting to fall apart, and every year I have to do some kind of fix on it. Yeah, I've been coming to Thompson Pass for 7 years.
Nice.
First year was 2019. Favorite thing about living in the pass is just the people and the scene, and yeah, all the skiers and snow machiners and all the homies that you get to see every year coming here. Oh man, this year is going to be the least amount of time I've spent here. I'll probably only be here for a total of 5 to 10 days, but I always tell myself I'm coming here for 2 to 3 weeks, and most of the time I stay for 6 to 10 weeks.
Nice.
Yeah, if I could change anything about the rig, I would probably keep the coziness of it, but just have it be newer. For work, I drive boats in Seward, Alaska in the summertime, and then I work up in Prudhoe Bay driving a hovercraft in the fall and the spring. when the ice is forming and thawing. And then midwinter, I kind of pick up random gigs, construction, equipment operating. Man, yeah, the way I'm able to make it work coming up here for a long amount of time is just the seasonal work. Yeah, totally. Just working hard in a short amount of time and then taking a bunch of time off.
And any advice to others?
Ooh, man, just don't let the dream go. Just keep on dreaming and keep on pushing for it.
Hell yeah, perfect.
Yeah. I'm Tommy. This is The Rig, and thanks for checking it out.
Oh yeah, thanks buddy.
Yeah.